have a blessing on the way.
For true?
On the way.
Her name is Louiana Blessing Grandis. So I'm very happy right now.
No, real thing.
But don't talk.
You want to link you with 876 DNA?
Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Trending News JA. So, Dexta Daps, him come out and solidify say Lisa Hype is delusional and crazy. So, Lisa Hyper, she make the world know say yo, a one man and one baby father she have, and that a Dexta Daps. She been posting even nude pics and videos all over social media, with most of them have Dexta Daps song a play in the background. She even posted a text the other day calling out Dexta Daps' government name and say yo, him she love and no one else. Well, Dexta, him couldn't take the fuckery no more, and Dexta come online to clear the air. Him say yo, me no like how Lisa talk down pa my name. You see it? Him even say, over 5 years now, him no see Lisa Hype. So how she fear breed for him? Dexta say yo, the family must do better and take up Lisa health in their hands and ensure say she get her medication. Me I go make you listen with Dexta fi say, and remember to subscribe, cause if Lisa head take her tonight, me know say she a go ballistic. And as much as we sympathize with Lisa and want she get the help, we Jamaicans we still love the drama and the fuckery. So boy, subscribe so you can stay up to date, Zin.
Listen to me carefully. I'm not the type of person to put down any woman in her life. I've never been, and I never will be. See me I say? I'm not the type of person to make any human being look smaller than me. Because I'm a human being too. See? But at the same token, I don't want to allow somebody to do it to me. At the same token, can't allow somebody to do it to me, you get me? So, yeah, when you just, this, you know, say I'm going to direct this to your family. If our family see this, would you please get her medication or whatever she need or whatever it is. Our family may make sure I direct this to. Before this get crazy, take care right. You see me? With all respect you. Wanna just take care right, man. You get me? Cause it can't get crazy, you know, man. Just take care right, man. You get me? Cause I don't have nothing to do with that. You get me, I say? Imagine me not see somebody in over 5 years and this aunt me. Imagine Mother Mary coming in my life, come tell me all of this. Mother Mary, I don't want to say something. The only woman will ever breathe without a man touch her name Mary. Oh, we have two Mary in the world. One Mary we have. One fucking Mary. Stop go on Mary thing. Only one Mary. With that being said, we just want someone to just take care of the family, just take care of her, please. You get me? I mean, as I said, I don't want to go too far with it and say too much. But I see it a spiral out of control. I don't like it. Take care of Mary, man. You see me? Make sure say she good. Cause when I hate her, we just can't bother the fuckery. You get me? I'm gone here, man. Bumbuckler. Cause I don't like what this I go do to you, though. I don't know what they love job by that. When you take care of the girl, yo, and stop make you tell the fuckery and stop swell up things. Take care of the girl. I want our artists them in the industry. And do the right thing, yeah? Do the right thing.